Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, 3 new systems inaugurated at Blast Furnace 5 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. HOD communication meeting held at structural and fabrication shops of SAIL RSP. And sanitization continues in different parts of Steel Township for preventing COVID-19. Coming to the news in details, a fine disposal conveyor system for transfer of fines to OBPP, a conveyor NCC-3A system for maintaining the continuity in charging BF coke without furnace shutdown, and an online sampling unit system for laboratory analysis were inaugurated at Blast Furnace 5 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant by Mr. P.K. Das ED Works on 22nd May. Present on the occasion were Mr. B.R. Babu, CGM Blast Furnace, and other senior officers and employees of the various departments. The events were organized adhering to the various norms pertaining to COVID-19. The new fines disposal conveyor system for transfer of fines to OBPP was designed, fabricated, and commissioned by using in-house resources by Blast Furnace Department. Earlier, when the storage systems of OBPP and the hopper for return sinter in Blast Furnace used to be full, the return fines of sinter and ore used to fall and accumulate below the belts. These accumulated grounded fines were subsequently transferred to OBPP using conventional form of shifting through tippers or haul packs, which was not only time consuming but also laborious. Moreover, the areas where these are relocated used to have various limitations. The commissioning of fines disposal conveyor system will help to eliminate the conventional method of loading through dumpers, haul packs, trucks. It will also save the expenses of hiring mobile equipments for loading of grounded fines. Besides, traffic congestion will be avoided. Moreover, the system is environment friendly. The new installed conveyor NCC-3A can maintain continuity in charging BF coke without furnace shutdown or wind reduction whenever the common nut coke conveyor NCC-03 goes down for any reason. It is also a low-cost project as all the spares and consumables were arranged in-house. Installation of this conveyor will help to eliminate the equipment or manpower requirement for floor clearing during emergency. The online sampling unit was installed to know the constituents of raw material and their physical and chemical properties. Earlier sampling test was done manually by taking samples from different points where the incoming raw material was fed. The new auto sampling device is a safe sampling system of coke, sinter or iron ore from running conveyor of main charging conveyor for laboratory analysis. The advantage of this sampling device is that it takes samples from the running belt and almost at the end point of the feeding system, which will give the most correct result after the analysis. This too is a low-cost project as all the spares and consumables were arranged in-house. These modification jobs that necessitated a lot of creativity and expertise prove the strong commitment of the Blast Furnace Collective to make a meaningful contribution to the growth and development of the plant. An HOD communication meeting was held at Shop Structural and Fabrication Department Conference Hall of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 23rd May. Mr. S.C. Sabat, GM in charge Shop Structural and Fabrication, presided over the meeting. The meeting was conducted adhering to the guidelines for COVID-19 like social distancing, sanitization, use of masks, etc. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Sabat emphasized upon the need of adapting to the new normal situation of social distancing, hand sanitization and use of masks. He explained the importance of cost minimization during the period of economic slowdown brought about by COVID-19 and urged everyone to work towards improving the production and performance of the plant. The Public Health Unit of the Town Engineering Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has been actively engaged in cleaning and decontamination of public places to prevent the COVID-19 pandemic. On 21st May, the Public Health Department, with the help of Fire Services Department, carried out an extensive disinfection of the entire Ispat Haat Gajapati Market, nearby shops in H&G block of Sector 6 market area, and near 33 kV Chowk of Sector 6. Markets are the most susceptible places due to a large number of footfalls. Hence, these places are regularly cleaned and sanitized to ensure a safe and healthy environment in the township. That's all from our news just today. Namaskar.